These AI quiz videos are insanely popular on the internet nowadays. These shorts are super simple and easy to make through AI. You might be shocked. Making a huge amount of money. AI is booming on short-length videos like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts as well. You might know that TikTok has launched a creative program, and people are making a good amount of money there as well. Here is the channel example I'm talking about. You can see how many views they have got so far by just doing simple videos. Let's take a look at this first. You might be wondering, is this thing even possible to monetize on YouTube? Well, yes, my friend, it is. Go to this website, paste the channel link that you want to look at to see if it's getting money through ad revenue or not. Well, you will get the idea, my friend. This quiz looks simple and boring at this time. If you are watching me till the end, I'm gonna make this trendy and unique way to catch the viewer's attention. I will make the template of this video, and this will automatically generate hundreds of videos in just 5 to 10 minutes using AI. Let's dive into this. We're gonna need a ChatGPT free version for the script, and later on we'll make the videos on Canva Pro. If you want Canva Pro for free, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the free technique to access the Canva Pro for a lifetime. So make sure you stick to this video till the end. Let's get started. Open up ChatGPT and paste this message into the search box. I will keep this in my video descriptions. You can go with your ideas with this as well. Try to put unique ideas in it. ChatGPT will provide 10 answers. You will need to ask again and again till you reach hundreds of them. Okay, now copy these all and paste them into your personal Excel sheet like this. Now, open up Canva and choose the canvas size. Here I will take some unique backgrounds that match the video. Take help from other channels for the background motions, and there are lots of free videos and background images you can find on the internet. You just have to be creative when making it. That one channel I showed earlier, he or she is not doing this, so we'll have to do something out of the box so our viewers can recognize us for future videos. You may want to follow me for the editing. Okay, get the rectangles or any other elements that can fit for the video. Add the topic title, which we are going to talk about. Add 4 rectangles down there with our answers. We'll match the timings later. Now add the text, choose the font you want to add, and make sure you choose some great bold font for this. The font should be more clearly visible to the viewers. Add some effect to the text. Here you go, my friend. For this template, I will add any random question and its answers. Later on, we can make the automated questions and their answers with these templates. Now, make the group of all the answers we put, and we'll adjust the timing for their visibilities. We're going to make it 6 seconds after the start of the video, okay? Now we are searching for some images based on our question. You can slow down the speed of this video and keep following me for the editing. After all, these are all very simple. Once you start making videos, you will get the ideas for more motion graphics type editing like the trending YouTubers are doing these days. You know what I mean. Keep following me for this, my friend. Some of the creators put a clock ticking in the video. You can do that too if you want. Adjust the timing like how you wanted, and keep the last 1.5 seconds left to show the answers. Okay, now we take another rectangle to show the final answer. We'll make it around the final 1.5 seconds to show the correct answer. Change the color of the rectangle if you want. Now, we will make both group and click of show timing, adjust the timing around the final 2 seconds, give some animation to make something cooler effect. Here you go. Alright, now we have everything that is needed. Now go to apps and search for bulk creation. Click on the enter data manually and go back to our save sheets. Copy the entire table and paste it into Canva. Now we are going to need to connect data to each item we have created. It's simple. No need to rush. Now continue. Hit generate. Look, these are the all videos we have added the text for. That is crazy, right? Later on, the only thing that needs to change is the picture of each image and adjusting the text. To put on AI voice over and sound effects, we're going to use CapCut for these videos. Get Get some copyrighted free music to add in the background, give sound effects, and add the AI voiceover. This will look different. Here is the final result I made.
What is the capital of France?
This is mind-blowing, isn't it? For the Canva Pro, sign in from your account, go to bingotingo.com, scroll down, click on this, wait for it. Boom, you have it. Hope you get some valuable information through this. Subscribe to the channel for more content.